What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, King Hussle the Hustle family, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out there from Instagram, Snapchat, Telegram, YouTube, you name it. Alright, a lot of people talking to these fake King Hustle pages. Alright, so before y'all send y'all money to anybody, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face, make sure you're doing legit business, and you getting what you paid for. Alright. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. Not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, shout out to everybody that's been tapping in, man. My bad, I ain't been dropping videos lately. I got a crazy toothache. Gotta get a pull. I gotta get a crown tomorrow. So, mind me if y'all see me talking a little different, talking a little weird, because I can't really put too much pressure on this side of my mouth because I gotta go get my tooth fixed tomorrow. So if I put too much pressure on it, it's gonna hurt really bad. Y'all know how toothaches go, and it might break or something like that. So please bear with me. Y'all done finally got me to the point where, yes, I'm finna go get my mouth done. I'm finna get my teeth done. I'm finna go get these veneers. I'm finna get right for y'all. It's only so much normal. There's only so much you can take with the average teeth that you'd have for over so many years. So yes, I will be getting veneers. Yes, I will be getting my smile together for y'all. Ain't nothing wrong with it now. I love my gaps. My mama got the same gap, but gotta get together. It's time to get myself together more because we finna enter this professional world. We finna get back to business. We finna get back to this sauce, and I gotta get myself together. So, bow. So today's video will be talking about bank statements. All right. And I got a lot of bank statements from Wells Fargo, Bank of America. We got Vero. I got Bluebird. I got Robinhood, Meta, Key, American Express Bank, First Citizen Bank, TD Bank, Blue Vine Bank, NetSpin, US Bank, BMO Harris, Discover, Ally, Chase, TCF, USAA Bank, Huntington Bank, PayPal Bank, SunTrust Bank, DCU Bank, Fifth Third Bank, Sunington Bank, Navy Federal Bank, Green Dot Bank, PNC Bank, Chime Bank, Regis Bank, Walmart Money Card Bank, Wood Forest Bank, City Bank, Lloyds Bank, Revolt Bank, HSBC Bank, Nationwide Bank, Monroe's Bank, Metro Bank, RBS Bank, Monzo Bank, Halifax Bank, what else? We got Australia bank statements. I got Canada bank statements. So today I'm going to be showing you guys bank statements for any of you guys who need bank statements, any of you guys who need to, want to just go and play around or want to, use them, or, just you need bank statements for anything. You can't get a hold of yours and you need to pull up PDF files and, create your own bank statements. Now let me, before we get into this video, before we start talking about bank statements and all that, right? So a lot of people out there that really don't understand that life, this right here, is real. YouTube is entertainment. Once you click off YouTube, close your phone, put it on the charger, and then you're back into real life, that's real. Things in real life, in real situations, matter. All right? So a lot of people think when I'm dropping these loan videos, these 10K loan videos and this and that, a lot of people aren't registered in their head. They're not understanding that this is real life. You got racist people in the world. You got people who don't want to deal with certain people. You got people who play favoritism. You got people who do so many different things. This is real life. Loans are real. Those lenders and credit unions and banks are real. They are not going to waste their money on anybody who isn't in a position to get anything. So let me clarify that for you guys. These lenders and these banks, when they go to check your bank statements, your pay stubs, and this and that, if it doesn't look qualified on paper, because let me tell you, be 100% truthful with you. 95 to 98% of people who watch my videos on paper are poor, are homeless, no place of stable residence, no job, no paying taxes. So on paper, you're homeless and you're poor. So when y'all go to try to apply for these loans, why would they give you $10,000 just because you got bad credit? Everybody got bad credit. There's a lot of people who got bad credit. But on paper, it shows you have no way to pay back. You have nothing going on in life. You have no way to pay back this money. And I don't care if you got side hustles and you making your money, you got $100,000, 50, 20, 30, whatever. But when it comes to on paper and what the IRS is reporting and what they have to taxes and all that, you're poor. You're homeless. So when I be telling y'all got to get y'all paper, y'all information, y'all business together, that's what I mean. When I tell y'all got to get bank accounts, checking and savings, y'all got to do certain things to start looking good on paper, that's what I mean. Because a lot of people who go watch these videos and they go jump and apply for loans and they don't have jobs, they don't have bank accounts. It's a lot of people who watch these videos and try to get applied for these $10,000 loans who, one, never even made $10,000 in their lifetime on paper, two, don't even got $10,000, and three, struggling to make $2,000 a month. It's people who barely make $1,200 a month. It's people out there who barely make $2,000 a month. And when they go to check on that, and you got bills you got to account for, you got rent you got to account for, all these things come to part. So you making $2,000 a month, and you got this amount of money in rent. You got to pay this amount on your electricity and gas bill. You got to pay this amount on your car bill note or whatever. How are you going to pay us back our $10,000? And when I give y'all these trade lines to make y'all payment history, y'all credit reports look way better, so y'all can be able to have a better chance of getting these loans and stuff, y'all don't do it. I make these videos to make as much sense as possible, because a lot of people don't use their brain. A lot of people mentality and way of thinking is messed up. A lot of people think everybody's supposed to do something for them. A lot of people just think, oh, I'm just going to apply for this loan and I'm going to get this $10,000. A lot of people want to be slick. A lot of people want to be conniving. A lot of people want to get around the system. A lot of people want to cut corners. A lot of people want to be millionaires without putting in the work. And it's not going to happen. And I'm just saying all this because there's a lot of people who watch my videos and they misinterpret the gems that I'm giving, because the people who understand life is real, that you got to have your life in order to get certain things and your business in order to get certain things. They're just not going to give it to you because you got bad credit. Those people are the ones who are getting these loans. Those are the people who are coming saying, hey, I got to prove for this amount. I got to prove for this amount. Get y'all life and business together. That's why I make these videos, so I can give you guys all the opportunities and the knowledge to make money this way, that way, how to finesse and outsource certain things to present to other people for them to pay you for it and start making money. Nobody's going to give you $1 million. You're not going to become a millionaire off doing music. You're not going to have the next big record. Nothing's overnight. You're not going to say, I'm going to be a YouTuber, then tomorrow have 100,000 views or 100K subscribers. You're not going to be like, oh, I'm going to start driving trucks, and then tomorrow you're going to be a truck driver, got truck and CDLs, and everything is a process. You have to have a passion. You got to actually want to do something. And the people who are lazy and want to have fun and hee and ha, those are the people who are going to be stuck in the same position. And those are the people, as time goes on and they get older, people are not going to be wanting to deal with them. And they end up where? On the street in the tent. Make it make sense. So without further ado, let's get into this website where you can go get y'all some bank statement templates. Y'all can PDF file them, edit them, do what you need to do. Not telling anybody to do anything. All educational and entertainment purposes only. So let's get into it. So today we're going to be talking about bankstatements.net. All right, bankstatements.net. Browse your templates. All right, our website contains the biggest collection of edible bank statement templates available online. We will help you understand where your money is going, how to cut spending, and increase your savings. So it's basically just break it down to you, quote unquote, where your money's going, your savings, and all that. So they got Wells Fargo. All right, so you can download the template. Once you click on download the template, you come over here, click on the open file. Boom, it's gonna open up in Word. You click on enable editing, and then now you're able to edit your PDF file. So let's say your name is Mr. Cody Jones. Oh, Mr. Cody Jones, right? Boom. So now your name Cody Jones. You know, you just take a look at it. You know, start. You know, learn how things work. Change. You know, you can change numbers, change things. You know, change. You can. You know, change. You can change this to a. So let's. If I change this to an 8, let's see if any other numbers change. Boom. Whoa. Boom. To an 8. You can. You know, just. It's different. You know, so. You got Wells Fargo, you got Bank of America, you got Bluebird, Red Robin, Beat, you know, Key Bank, American Express, Metabank, First Citizens, TD, BBVA bank statement. You got U.S. Bank, BMO Harris, Discover Bank Alley, TCF, Chase, U.S. Bank. Huntington Bank, you know, you got Fifth Third Bank, Huntington, DC, Navy Federal, Money, Walmart Money Card, Regis, Chime, Wood Forest, City Bank statement. You got the United Kingdom Bank, so anybody in the United Kingdom, we got Lloyds Bank, Revolt, we got HSBC UK, we got Metro Bank, Nationwide Bank. Any of those, anybody out there, we got Australia Banks, Suncorp, St. George, Bendigo, ING Bank, NAB, NAB, Heritage, Commonwealth, Westpac, Canada Banks, BMO, TD, RBC, CIBC, SCOTA, you know, all different type of banks, Bank of America. So, yeah, anybody need to just have some fun with some bank statements, you know, here you go. Where to edit, just download them, pick which one, download, edit, and, you know, have fun. All right, so let's talk about it. Bankstatements.net. So let's talk about it. Bank statements, PDF file, go have fun, go edit. Anybody need to go check out how bank statements are made, quote unquote, how they're, you know, how bank statements are, you know, basically made, and you need to edit them, have fun with them, do what you need to do. All right, so make sure y'all go check out bankstatements.net. Anybody that's self-employed, got their own bank statements, go check them out right there. All right, so make sure y'all taking that information that I gave y'all in the beginning of the video into consideration before y'all comment or before y'all go even try to apply for them bad credit loans. All right, y'all gotta have y'all business together. I've been making these videos for 3 years now, almost 3 years, and y'all still not getting y'all business together. Please start getting y'all business together. I'm trying to let y'all understand that it's a lot of different ways for y'all to get these loans. There's a lot of different ways for y'all to get this money with bad credit. You just gotta have your documents in the right business in order, and you'll make it happen. Point blank, period. And I even told you how to get up to $100,000 in trade lines, if not more, if your capital is there, if your finances is there, and you can make it happen. All right, so shout out to all my real subscribers. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Shout out to all my real fans out there and supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping this sauce. keep y'all entertained, and that's what I'm gonna continue to do. All right, so shout out to y'all. Still looking for people for the production company, so make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews, it's $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 into your music career, into your brand? Being in music production or any in this entertainment business, period, it takes money. You gotta invest. You gotta pay for marketing. You gotta pay for promotion. You gotta pay for a lot of different things just to get seen, just to get out there, just to get popping. So you don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 in you? Hussle Nation has a lot of deals on the table that will be popping off. So make sure y'all tap in on that. We got merchandise coming soon. So tap in with that. So any rappers, any actors, any models, any producers, any cameramans, any all that, tap in with me, content creators. Also, limited gems right now is $500. And I'm doing something called YouTube automation where you can make 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90,000 dollars a month. Yes, y'all all heard about it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So yes, y'all know it's real. Y'all know it's true. So right now I'm doing a promotional deal. I'm doing $500 unlimited gems, and you can also sign up and get your sign up with my production company, and I help create the channel, and we're gonna split the profits down the middle. So the channel make $20,000, you get $10,000, I get $10,000, because at the end of the day, we're both creating on the channel, we're both posting contents, we're both spending our money on this channel in order for it to grow. All right, so for $1,500 right now, you get unlimited gems, and you'll be down with the production company. We will create you a YouTube automation channel. I'll help you build it, help you grow it, and we'll split the profits down the middle. You can't beat that. So anybody out there that's ready to start making money, anybody out there that's ready to start making passive income, y'all know what them YouTube automation channels is. You don't gotta show your face. You don't gotta talk. You don't gotta do nothing. All you gotta do is outsource the videos, post them, and get them views. So anybody looking to tap in with me, sign to the production company, start making this passive income with me. $1,500, you will get the unlimited gems, and you will get your channel on the YouTube. We will create it together. We will make money together, and we can, like I said, it's not for. We could be making money for 5, 6, 7, 8 years down the road. As long as these videos keep gaining momentum, keep gaining views, the money can pick up. We can start making more money. So tap in with me. That $1,500 is gonna be well spent, because you're gonna make all that back plus more, and we're gonna be, show you how to become a real boss. I'm gonna put some real money into your life, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in on that. If not, limited gems right now, unlimited FaceTime one-on-ones is $500. Don't miss out on that, and let's keep on going. Let's get back to this money, man. Let's keep the ball rolling. Let's keep the show going, man. It's your boy King Hussle. I see y'all at the next video. Make sure y'all dropping them gems. Make sure y'all paying attention to them gems, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all really, comprehending what I'm saying, because I got a lot of great things going. I'm focused on really this production company and putting people in a position so we all become multimillionaires and be successful. All right, so tap in. I see y'all at the next video. Peace.